Hi guys, I'm telling you this place is called ASF. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ishaka Karani and we are back again with another vlog. It's on Saturday, yeah? We're in a show at Gilgil and our mom is doing the also catering, so we are the waiters, you know what I'm saying? Not by choice, but by choice. Yeah, so I'll just take you through it. I'll show you how Marians do their Russia and stuff because we are Marys and we're proud to be that here. Yeah, so just follow me and let me take you guys with me for the whole day. Okay, bye.
I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love, 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 fall in love. I don't wanna fall in love, I don't wanna fall in love. Fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah.
DJ Sesube, weka mikono mbili hivi nionyeshe kitu. DJ Sesube, uko tayari? Are you ready for this? Weka mikono mbili juu, weka mikono. DJ wachilia. Kinaenda panda panda. Uka. Tigiza kiuno. Mbele nyuma.
Oh yeah.
Mosquito.
Sana Kata we going somewhere? So hey vlog, welcome back to my channel. It's a weekly vlog. And guess what? Have you seen my views? Have you seen my views, you guys? If you follow me, you know I'm obsessed with views, and this view is amazing. Okay,
Like your girlfriends.
shut up, bitch. Unlike your girlfriend. Alright, so let me show you my views. And yeah, it's just a chill day. It's a chill Wednesday. It's on Wednesday, and just keep on vibing. Keep vibing. Subscribe.
Trying to think of ways to you. Your voice stuck in my brain. We never got to see it through. And I know I feel more pain if we're speaking truth. Cause when the daylight comes, I still lose. So will I feel it again? I just don't know. And I'm hoping I'll find a way to let go. So if you love me, how could you leave me so low? So I just don't know.
Good morning vlog, welcome back to my channel. It is currently Thursday and I'm going to school. I'm going to prepare myself to school. I'm going to make myself something very fast to eat because I'm super hungry. And I might not show you that because I'm in a hurry, like I'm in a hurry to go to school, you guys. You don't know. Meantime, I don't know what you did to each other, but I'm late. I technically wake up at like maybe 7, but I come out of my bed at like 8:30 or 9, and I know it's not the best. It's not healthy at all. If you do that, don't do that. Stop it, because you're going to be late like a couple of times like me. But
I need a second to take a breath, to keep me guessing with what you said. You're in my head. We're under pressure, we're sinking deep like stormy weather. Can't seem to breathe when you're with me. If you're gonna break me, I know I won't stay. I don't wanna wait here, you push me away. If you're gonna choose, you don't know what to do. I don't wanna lose you, but don't wanna lose me. So complicated, don't mess it up. Feeling frustrated. Hey.
hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I did shopping last week. I was supposed to shoot this video last week, but I didn't. So yeah, I am. So guys, I ordered like 5 items. I don't know if they are all here, but I ordered this makeup brushes. They were on flash sale. It was so cheap, you guys. Look, they look so cute, you guys. They look so cute. Wow, man. And they have this thing for storing them, so I love them. I'll also put some other brushes I ordered here because they're not the same color, but it's cool. I ordered this also. They're like 20 brushes. That's so nice, you guys. I already opened them, so I know what I'm talking about. But I've not used them, but I can feel the texture of the brushes, you know. There's so many. Oh my god. Can you see? There's so many, and they're so nice, you guys. And then I got myself this cute little purse. I love it. I wanted a gold color, but I got it in silver. But still, I love it. I love it. I also got this one, you guys. Nilishafungua hii na nikavaa. I love it. Have you seen it? Say closer. Closer look. I love it. Oh my god. Can you see that? I love it. It's so cute. You don't understand. What else did I get? I got myself a bag. It was on a flash sale, and you guys, it was 3 bob, and I was like, why not get it? It was 3 shillings, you guys. You don't even understand that. It's a steal. 3 shillings. Are you crazy? Are you kidding me? Aren't you running around? I'm feeling it. And then you guys, I haven't told you, I used Zara's code. Girl, you got us. It was like 200 shillings, Kenya shillings off my order, and that's like she technically paid my shipping fee. Thanks, babe. Thanks. And Jumia is giving us such great deals, you guys. You don't understand. Jumia is giving us such great deals, and I'm in love with it. I'm in love with it. Okay. I guess that's it. And I love you guys. Please subscribe to my channel. And I promise you more content, more nice content, like outside the house content, outside my school, how I live content, like nice content, okay? But let me get done with these exams for schools. It's a lot, okay? So let me get done with my exams. And are you even ready for the content that I'm going to give you? You're not ready? You are not ready, okay? Yeah, I love you guys.